days, you'd be hard-pressed to find an individual who knows backpacks better than Douglas Davidson. Having started his career with stints at both Burton and the North Face, the designer then launched his own independent label under the name the Brown Buffalo. Even still, Davidson has since remained in high demand, teaching classes out of his Costa Mesa workshop and working in various freelance capacities with the likes of Adidas, Nike, Quiksilver, and Vans, to name just a few. As such, many EDC enthusiasts consider Davidson's designs to be the cream of the crop, carefully refined pieces that balance a smart aesthetic with superior functionality. The ConcealPack purports to be such a bag. However, there's no getting around the fact that it's pretty pricey at $395 all said and done. In this review, we get hands-on with the 21-liter model to see whether the ConcealPack is everything that it's cracked up to be. At first glance, the ConcealPack doesn't appear all that different from other pseudo-tactical options like the GoRuck GR1 and the Triple-Aught Design Axiom. In fact, all three bags share a tough Cordura body, a lay-flat clamshell opening, and a modular main compartment. However, that's where the similarities end. Because let's face it, the ConcealPack is in a league of its own insofar as its construction methods and engineering are concerned. The outside of the bag is strikingly minimalist, bereft of any branding save for a small laser-engraved Hypalon label on the front panel. For that matter, you won't find much else around the rest of the bag. There are 4 latch points located on the sides of the body, and there's a set of D-rings attached at the shoulder straps. Otherwise though, the ConcealPack is basically a black rectangle. Well, at least it appears to be. Size-wise, the ConcealPack is definitely on the taller side, at least compared to some of the other bags we've had in for test. Our 21-liter model measured 19 inches high by 5.5 inches deep by 11.5 inches wide, making it one of the biggest TSA-compliant options that we've reviewed. It sits comfortably on our tester. He stands a solid 5'11", though it might be a bit too much bag for those with shorter torsos. That being said, it's much more compact than the 30-liter model, which stretches a further 1 to 2 inches in almost every dimension. If you're going to teach classes on how to make bags, needless to say, your own products better lead by example. In the case of the ConcealPack, Davidson has curated an assortment of some of the most cutting-edge materials available today. For instance, the body of the bag is made from 1050D Cordura ballistic nylon, sewn with Invista yarns and a 2x2 basket weave pattern. Along with being highly resistant to rips, scuffs, and other wear and tear, this also means that the ConcealPack comes with a bit of built-in element protection, especially because it's been coated in a DWR membrane. It's inside the ConcealPack, however, where Davidson has really proven his bag-making proficiency. Our 21-liter test model is made using a combination of Dimension Polyant's VX25 and VX21 fabrics, enabling exceptionally rugged and completely waterproof performance. If the neon yellow and bright blue fabrics aren't your thing though, never fret. The Brown Buffalo manufactures its bags in batches, so each round is something of a limited run. And because Davidson is constantly tinkering with his formula, they're almost always different from one series to the next. Of course, a tough bag would be of little use if it's not also comfortable to wear. Accordingly, Davidson designed the ConcealPack with a set of super plush straps and a heavily padded back panel. Cushioned with Apex 3D spacer mesh, they incorporate antimicrobial yarns for odor control and specialty Sorbtech yarn for moisture management. On paper, it promises to be a winning pairing, and, as we'll get into later, it's an absolute game changer on body. Finally, let's talk hardware. In keeping with the bag's rock-solid construction, Davidson has designed the closures and fasteners for consistent, unfailing performance. The zippers are naturally all made by YKK, chunky, overbuilt, and reversed such that the toughest part faces outward. Elsewhere, the ConcealPack sports a set of Hypalon attachment points for use with accessories, each reinforced with very compliant bar tacks for long-term durability. Hell, even the top grab handle is a cut above the rest, crafted from a seatbelt-like nylon webbing and stitched with a stand-up design for confident handling. Oh, and we'd be remiss if we didn't mention the bag's built-in luggage sleeve on the back panel, a must-have feature for those who like to travel. With just a quick pull of your hard case's handle, you can have the ConcealPack mounted and secure in seconds. Inside, the ConcealPack boasts some of the most innovative organizational provisions you'll find on a bag today. Out back, it comes with a hidden zippered compartment that's lined with Velcro and large enough to stuff a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Assuming you'd like to haul heavier loads, it'll also accept a removable frame sheet for an added dose of support. But that's not all. The main compartment is packed full of pockets for keeping your carry together. On one side, there's a full-length Velcro sheet for use with the brand's admin accessory panels. In this case, we've attached a large sleeve for holding a notebook, as well as a small padded divider that comes with enough room for a pair of full-size over-ear headphones, a couple of pins, some wireless earbuds, and a charging bank. These panels also come with some Velcro attachment points of their own, so you can mix them and match them as you please. Opposite, the ConcealPack is built with two large dump pockets that are perfect for packing away everything from pencil pouches to water bottles. We especially like what the Brown Buffalo has done with these because they're easy to access, even when the bag isn't completely unzipped. Above, the bag's lid comes with a full-width zippered mesh pouch that works as an ideal catch-all for bulkier items like laptop chargers and cables. And here's the thing, even with all of this stuffed inside, we still managed to squeeze in a large DOP kit, a testament to the bag's impressive storage capacity and accessory management system. Last but not least, there's a third concealed compartment out front, fastened with a vertical zipper and built with a beefy integrated lanyard attachment point. It's great for holding frequently used items like keys, snacks, and hand sanitizer. Despite the pocket's generous depth, we found it super convenient for on-the-go access, even without removing the ConcealPack. Before we move on to our on-body experience, we should point out that the bag's clever Velcro integration allows you to customize its organization according to your needs. Simply peel, place, and stick the admin accessory panels as you see fit. Each of the ConcealPack's compartments is compatible with the dividers, so you can try different configurations until you find a setup that works for you. As we alluded to earlier, the ConcealPack is an absolute dream to wear. Padding on the backside of the bag is plentiful, made from cushy Apex 3D spacer mesh and split into two separate full-length segments. It has a noticeable give to it, but it's not so soft that it becomes flimsy under load. And because it's made from Sorbtech yarns with perforated holes top to bottom, it's super breathable. Being based in Los Angeles, we really appreciated what this addition did for the bag's overall ventilation. No one wants to change shirts because of a sweaty back, and the ConcealPack ensures that you don't have to. However, back padding alone isn't enough to provide support for your pack. For this reason, Davidson has designed the straps to do the hard work. Crafted from durable Cordura fabric, they also feature a layer of soft Apex 3D spacer mesh for an extra dose of comfort. What's more, they come with a removable, adjustable sternum strap that's elasticated for an improved fit. And if that wasn't enough, they feature a set of 4 D-rings for attaching external harness systems. Interestingly though, Davidson has also designed the straps with a unique, if a little specific, innovation, a set of quick-release buckles. In practice, these allow you to instantly ditch the bag in the event of an emergency. Rather than struggling to get your arms through the openings, just unclip the buckles, and away the ConcealPack falls. Douglas Davidson carries quite the reputation within the bag industry, so we had pretty high expectations heading into this review. Thankfully, the ConcealPack more than lives up to Davidson's name. Now, the bag's $395 price tag definitely positions it as one of the most expensive options on the market. However, when you consider what the pack has to offer, a refined design, a tough Cordura construction, and a modular storage system the likes of which we've never seen, it becomes much easier to justify. And besides, you aren't just buying a bag with the ConcealPack, you're buying into the EDC community. Made right here in the USA by an absolute backpack legend, it's a bespoke piece that'll satisfy even the most discerning of carry enthusiasts.